Hello, I'm Jeremy Iglesias. We are here in Lonato and we're going to make an on-board lap together. Sector 1, maximum speed on the track. Also the corner where we overtake the most in front of all the mechanic. Sector 2, double left where we take the lateral G higher, around 4G. Also the chicane, very important to keep the speed in the 4 gear, very important to be fast on this track. Sector 3, the low corner, put the second gear and the third gear between all the corners. And we finish the lap. Hope you enjoy it and see you next time.